First at 6, a judge dismisses a lawsuit against the City of Tulsa over the 1921 Tulsa Race Massacre. Thanks for joining us. I'm Craig Day.
And I'm Lori Fulbright. The group that had filed the lawsuit wanted the city to pay the survivors. News on 6's Chin Doan is live with what the attorneys for those survivors had to say today. Chin?
The attorneys say their clients will fight this case until their last breaths. The legal team also plans to fight this dismissal at the Oklahoma Supreme Court and also call on the federal government. Now, they held a news conference this afternoon at Vernon AME Church to both express their disappointment and promise to continue this fight. The lawsuit was filed in 2020 and argued the city should have to file for damages to the 3 known living survivors of the massacre, who are all over 100 years old. The attorneys say it was a gut punch to find out from a news reporter that Judge Carolyn Wall dismissed their case Friday. The judge also dismissed the lawsuit with prejudice, which means the case can't be refiled. Attorney Demario Solomon Simmons says he broke the news to the survivors Friday night, and they were both shocked and devastated.
We have cried, we have prayed, and we've asked God, like, how much longer? It's been 102 years. But what we have to do is continue to fight like B.C. Franklin did, and all those survivors have done over the last 102 years. And that's what keeps me going each and every day. And my survivors feel the same way.
In a statement, Viola Fletcher, Leslie Benningfield Randall, and Hughes Van Ellis say, quote, "We were forced to plead this case beyond what is required under Oklahoma legal standards, which is sadly a familiar circumstance when Black Americans ask that the American legal system works for them," end quote. Now, again, the survivors' attorneys plan to appeal to the Oklahoma Supreme Court. If the court sides with the survivors, this case will go back to Judge Wall's court. If the court sides with Judge Wall's dismissal, then the case is over. Live in the Greenwood District, Chin Doan, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.